I want to show you guys how I made these really cute forest animal curtain rods and finials for our RV. So we have 5 windows in the main room of the RV that needed curtains and 2 windows in the bedroom that needed curtains. And I saw these really cool curtain rods with animals on them on Amazon, but for the number of windows we have, we were going to need so many of them and they were kind of pricey. So I figured they would be pretty easy to make on my own. And I started by buying a pack of woodland animal toys on Amazon. And these were enough to cut in half and use the heads and tails on the 5 windows in the main room. And then we ended up getting this pack of 4 reindeers for the 2 windows in the bedroom. And since there were 4 of them, we just used the heads on each end of the 2 rods in the bedroom. Now we are borrowing this power miter saw, and we used it to cut the animals in half, which is kind of traumatizing to watch. We used pliers to hold them in place. You never want to get your fingers super close to the blade. But it made it super easy to do a clean cut them in half. And we used the heads on one end and the butts on the other end of these curtain rods in the living room. So it's kind of silly, but they turned out pretty cool. So the forest animals that I used for the ones in the living room were kind of small, so they weren't going to fit exactly onto the curtain rods. So I glued them to these closet rod holders, and I used Gorilla Glue. Then I bought 1-inch closet rods from Lowe's and glued only the heads to one end, also with Gorilla Glue. It's really strong, but you definitely want to let it cure for a whole day. And then I spray painted it with this metallic brown. Then on the other end where the butts go, you want to drill a hole. This hole is 5/16, and then on the butt of the animal, we added little dowels that are also 5/16, and that way you can put the curtains on and then be able to attach the butt and take it off if you ever need to wash the curtains. So here's me putting the end on one of the rods after we put the curtains up, because the curtains would not fit over the animal part of the finial. So super easy. They fit really snug, so they're not going to go anywhere, but you can still take them off if you need to. And if everything looks really dusty, it's because it is. It's all from sawdust. We sanded so many things in the RV. And the ones in the bedroom, the reindeers were bigger and they didn't need those extra pieces to mount to the rods. The reindeers, once they were cut in half, are hollow and they just fit right over the rods. So those are perfect. So yeah, super happy with how these turned out. They're one of a kind, and I hope this tutorial is helpful to you guys or inspires you to make your own. You could find plastic toys of pretty much anything to fit your theme. You could even do something more basic like regular round finials, but paint them whatever color you want. The brackets are separate and they were from Amazon. Also, I know we're going to get questions about these curtains that we used in the bedroom. They're from Wayfair. Aren't they so cute? They were definitely super long, so we had to cut them to fit in the RV, and we just used fray check on the bottom. And then these ones that we used in the living room are from Amazon, and we just got 3 pairs of 2 so that we could use a pair on each of the big windows and then 1 panel on the small windows. Thanks for watching, guys. This is me and my boyfriend Devin, and we've been working super hard to renovate this RV into a cool rustic cabin. So definitely check out our other videos, especially if you like our theme. We have more to come. We're almost done with the RV and we've been documenting everything. And we're definitely planning on sharing videos from our travels. So we would love if you would subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much. Bye.